Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Power off and remove the case, SIM, and SD card to remove pressure points. Once done, clean the entire screen and edges with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl. This removes grime that mimics touch. Next, boot into safe mode to check if an app is causing ghost touches. If the problem stops, an app is likely responsible. Make sure to note any recent installs so you can remove them next. You now perform deeper diagnostics. Open the service menu or a touch test app to map where the screen registers inputs. If you find hotspots, note their locations. Uninstall recently added apps and update the OS and firmware, because software conflicts often cause errant touches. Inspect the frame for moisture, a swollen battery, or lifting bezel. Physical pressure or corrosion can cause auto-touch. If you're comfortable, gently pry the bezel to look for loose digitizer connectors, but stop before full disassembly. You finish with decisive fixes. Back up all data and perform a factory reset only if software steps failed. This rules out persistent firmware issues. If ghost touch persists, replace the screen/digitizer assembly or take the phone to a reputable repair shop. Replacement usually resolves hardware faults. After any repair or replacement, test the display before reassembling everything and use a stylus to confirm accuracy. Troubleshooting tip. If the screen still misbehaves, avoid DIY board-level fixes. Seek a trained technician to prevent further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.